The fuck's that on a pigeon's feet? Look. What the fuck is it? We've just got the fucking got a knife from the bike shop here. Me mate's here, I'm holding it. Oh, me mate's just cut it off here.
Let's check his feet a minute.
Those balls that was on its
Turn it
toes.
upside down.
Look
Let's
at them
have a
all.
look. Is that all of them off?
Yeah, mate.
Alright.
Gonna let it go now. There you go, free as a bird.
Fucking weirdest thing I've ever seen.